Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be sharing my summer morning routine with you guys. I have been getting a ton of requests to do this type of video, and I'm also just kind of showing you guys what we're currently doing during the summer while the kids are out of school and home. So we're going to go ahead and just get started. So since the kids are not in school right now and it's summer vacation, I don't have a specific time that I wake up. It's just whenever I naturally wake up, and on this morning I woke up at 6. So the first thing I do is I always head down to get coffee. I have to start my day off with coffee. My coffee is pretty simple. I just put half a packet of Chuvia into my coffee mug and I go outside in the back patio and just relax. We recently just redid this back patio. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. I also wanted to show you guys the temperature because our days are over 100 degrees every day. So in the morning, it's like 90 degrees mid-morning. So it's super hot, but I like to enjoy it in the morning when it's a little bit cooler. So after my coffee wakes me up a little bit, I will do a quick clean downstairs in the common areas and just get the house cleaned up before everyone wakes up. So this is my cleaning schedule on the days that I don't film a cleaning video. Typically, if I'm gonna film a cleaning video for you guys, I'm not gonna touch anything that morning. I'm just gonna leave the mess so I can show it on my video. If you are someone that does cleaning videos here on YouTube, do you notice how quick you can clean your house when you're not filming? I can get my house clean like within an hour, the whole entire house. But when I film and clean my whole house, it can take me like 6 hours. So definitely a difference. If you do have a YouTube channel, go ahead and leave your channel name down below so I can check out your channel, and also other people in the comments can check out your channel too.
I left things unsaid, and you cannot forget how my mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I'll keep my head high while we're crossing the land. With all the minds we lay down, it's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up, though I know it's tough.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
So then every morning I come out and water my plant. I've been trying to get better at taking care of plants and just having that green thumb that I inspire to have. And I love using this new nozzle because it has different settings for different pressures of the water. I use the flower setting, and then I go ahead and use the shrubs setting.
Darling, go ahead and shine, my dear, 'cause who cares if you might mess it up.
So now we're upstairs because I need to make my bed, but I wanted to go ahead and wash my face. This is something I do every single morning. I do wash my face twice a day because I'm prone to acne. So before I wash my face, I always wash my hands first. I learned that in school. If you didn't know, I am a licensed esthetician, and that is kind of a number one thing we learned before we put our hands on anyone's faces or even our own face. You should always wash your hands.
It's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine.
So now I'm back downstairs because I need to feed Ava. She is awake and she's just watching cartoons while I make her breakfast. I did something super simple and just cut up some bananas and made her a bagel with cream cheese and jam on it. So she loves ice water, you guys. So we start her day off with ice water. She usually just drinks that all through the day. She's not big on juices or anything like that. And then I just go ahead and let her watch cartoons for a little bit so I can finish my morning routine, and then so she can relax and kind of wake up before I get her ready for the day. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my pre-workout because I'm going to get ready to do my workout. This is the Alani Nu in the flavor Carnival Candy Grape. This is just a much cleaner, more natural pre-workout than any other pre-workout I've seen, and the taste is amazing. Today I've teamed up with Beyond Body to share their fully personalized wellness book with you guys. Their goal is to help women enjoy their lives by breaking barriers to their health and feel confident in their own skin. This book includes a fully customizable 28-day training plan that will get you closer to your health goals. In the past, this book contained personalized plans pertaining specifically to weight loss, but now their focus has completely shifted, and now the book is centered around overall well-being. This means the book is not only focused around the physical well-being such as exercise and diets, which those things are very important, but also takes into account things like sleeping, mindfulness, stress relief, and more. In your personalized wellness book, you will also find your own personalized meal plan that's built around your lifestyle, your allergy intolerances, food preferences, and more. I found this feature especially helpful because I have food intolerances such as dairy, and your customized meal plan will include thousands of really good, affordable meal options. So now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the workout plan they designed for me, and I'm also going to show you guys the cardio. In the book, they teach you about the workouts. They teach you about how much cardio to do a week and different ways that you can get your cardio in. So all you have to do to get your personalized book is go to their website, fill out their quiz, and that quiz is going to give them all the information that they need to write the perfect personalized wellness book for you. Beyond Body gave me a 30% off discount code for you guys. So if you're interested in their personal wellness book, make sure you check out the link down in the description box. Also, if you do order it, let me know. I would love to know if you are starting your wellness journey. So after I'm done with my workout, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I do to get ready for the day. So I take baths and I take showers. Let me know what you guys prefer. I like to use this Dr. Teal's Lavender Aromatherapy Essential Oil Shower Mist. In my shower, you just spray it and you go ahead and jump in the shower, and it smells amazing and just kind of relaxes you. since I'm showing you guys my hair and makeup routine, I wanted to go ahead and clean off the mirror because there was tons of like water splatters and it was just super dirty. So I wanted to clean that so you guys don't have to stare at that.
The night's got a fever to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right?
Since it's so hot here in Arizona, it's often super hot in the bathroom, especially after you take a hot shower. So I always put my hair up so I can do my makeup because if not, I'm kind of sweaty on the back of my neck. It's just super hot here. So when I get ready for the days, I am often talking to my mom on FaceTime or marcoing some of my girlfriends on Marco. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my SPF on because I always use SPF every single day. I put it on in the morning underneath my makeup. This is also something I learned in school as an esthetician because if you have post-acne pigmentation, which I do, those little brown spots, the sun will feed it and they will be darker, they won't go away. So if you use your SPF, they will fade over time.
Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night.
Okay, so on this day, I did not wash my hair. I wash my hair about once or twice a week. When I am not in a fitness journey, I usually just wash my hair once a week. But since I've been working out a lot more the past few months, I sweat a lot, so I do wash my hair more in a week. But today I didn't wash it because I was going to a social media event that night. And when I wash my hair, you guys, the next couple of days, it just doesn't look good. It looks better when it's a little bit dirtier and has a little bit of grease in it. It just curls better and it looks better. And I wanted my hair to look good for the event. So I put this Silk Infusion Chi product on the ends of my hair when I'm done doing my hair, so it helps with the frizz and any split ends. So I always lotion my body up before I start the day. Everyone should definitely keep their skin hydrated, so I am just using this Soap and Glory Good Juice body lotion. So I am following my meal plan and having one of their breakfasts. I do eat breakfast a little bit before noon, so it's more like a brunch, but I'm just making some oatmeal with some blueberries and a little bit of peanut butter for flavor.
This time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how they look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs, I need a night.
So with my brunch, I take my Super Fiber Collagen Powder. This is by Bellway. I've been drinking Bellway for a couple of years just to get more fiber into my diet.
Pulling me out and I'm right back on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway.
Then I also make sure I have my vitamins. They say evening on them, but I take them every morning. So the last thing I do for my morning routine is get Ava ready. She is fully awake and ready to start her day. So I usually just do her hair and throw on a little summer dress or t-shirt and shorts so she can just hang out until we decide what we're going to do for that day. If we're just hanging out around the house, then we are just chilling. Oftentimes we are going out in the pool and things like that. We are trying to stay cool this summer but still have a fulfilling, fun summer. So that concludes my summer morning routine. I have been getting tons of requests for these types of videos, so I do hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun making it. Also, don't forget to check out Beyond Body and use their 30% off code. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. Bye.